In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Google Calendar to Pipedrive CRM with ease. Let's get started and walk through these steps to have your Google Calendar connected to Pipedrive in no time. First, you want to head over to Pipedrive. Just open up your favorite web browser and log into your Pipedrive account. Once you're inside, take a look at the upper right-hand corner of your screen. Here, you'll find your profile icon. Give it a click. This area is where you manage various personal settings and preferences, so it's a good idea to familiarize yourself with it if you haven't already. After clicking on your profile icon, you'll see a drop-down menu. Look for the option labeled Personal Preferences and click on it. This is where you can control settings for syncing and integration, which is exactly what we need for our task today. Now with the Personal Preferences tab open, you'll want to navigate to Calendar Sync. It's straightforward to find and is specifically tailored for those looking to connect a calendar service, like Google Calendar. Click on Calendar Sync and you'll see more detailed options. Within the Calendar Sync settings, you'll notice a button labeled Connect Account. This is your entry to link your Google Calendar. Click on Connect Account and you'll be prompted to choose which Google account you wish to connect to Pipedrive. Make sure it's the same account where you access your Google Calendar. Upon clicking Connect Account, a new window will open where you'll need to select your email. Once you see the list of Google accounts, click on your email address. This email is the identifier for which Google account you'll be integrating. After selecting your email, you may notice a button that says Continue, inviting you to move forward with the process. Go ahead and click on it. After you've clicked Continue, you'll encounter another prompt reiterating your consent to integrate your Google Calendar with Pipedrive. It's important to read through to understand what this connection entails. When you're ready, click Continue. You're now heading towards the final covenant of the integration. Another Continue button will greet you to finalize the link up between Google Calendar and Pipedrive. Click Continue one last time. This completes the process. And there you have it. Your Google Calendar should now be successfully connected to your Pipedrive CRM. This integration allows all your scheduled events, meetings, and reminders to sync seamlessly between the two platforms. Remember, keeping your calendar synced is a fantastic way to ensure nothing falls through the cracks in your schedule. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Have a great day!